going home. Okay, go to swing first. Go to swing.
Ay nako guys, please support our channel so I can buy a piece of land and have a ground like this, as big as this or bigger than this. So this is your ambitious vlogger here, because you know I want to have like 12 kids and I know they're gonna grow. I will miss them and I really want to have this. Look. Then look how happy your kids will be, and then so peaceful. Hi, please subscribe. Please help us grow our channel.